Okay, so we have already built our first part of cube in previous lecture, and now we need to do the same for rest of the parts of cube. For now they are hidden because we commented them out. Besides that, we're going to give each face its own background. So that's all about what we're going to do in this video. First of all, let's get rid of comments from those two div elements. So as you see, we have here all three parts of the entire cube. I think it would be better if we increase opacity. So let's remove this line at all. Actually, we have here a little problem. Top side of third cube is visible. It happens because of 3D environment. So in order to fix that, we can just simply use z-index property. Second cube should have higher value than the rest of the cubes. So let's select it, write cube 2, and define z-index property, let's say as 10. So now you can see that problem is fixed, and actually it's time to start working on backgrounds for each face. Let's start from front face. At first we need to select front face for cube 1. So write cube 1 front. Then define background. In URL, select image called slide img1. And then we need no repeat. So as you know, we have three different front faces, and eventually we need to create one background image effect. So all three backgrounds should be centered horizontally, I mean along x-axis, and in order to achieve that, we have to write here as a first value 50%. As for y-axis, I mean vertically, first background image should be started displaying from top edge, and for that we need here 0. And also use background size cover. So as you see, we have here background for first front face. Let's do the same for second and third faces. Let's go ahead and duplicate this code. Then change class name. We need here cube 2. So for second front face, we need background image to be started displaying after 7 viewport width, because height of each cube is 7 viewport width. So we need here -7 viewport width. Now we have here background for second part as well, and actually they create one image effect. Let's duplicate again. Change class name. We need here cube 3. For third image, I hope you already guessed, we need -14 viewport width, because third image should be started displaying after 14 viewport width. So everything works perfectly. We have background for all three parts, and they look as one image. Alright, that's all about front side. We need to do the same for other sides as well. Next, let's work on back side. First of all, I'm going to rotate cube in order to see back face. For that, we have to insert here value 180 degrees. So we have here back side. Then let's go ahead and copy this entire code and paste it here after back. So we just need to change class names and image names. Right here back. As for image, we need slide img2. So back face is ready. Next, let's move on to the left side. Again, first of all, rotate cube. We need here 90 degrees. Then paste code here. And again, change class names. Right, left. And also change image names. We need here slide img3. Alright, so with left side we are done, and lastly we need to take care of right side. Let's rotate cube again. Right here -90 degrees. Then paste code after right. We need here class name right. And also image name slide img4. Alright, that's it. All four sides have their own backgrounds. Now we have to work on controls, and also I'm going to create shadow effects down below. For that, let's move on to the next lecture.